1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. DJI's Mavic Pro 2016 can be folded and carry a decent quality lens. Thus, it was sold so well. One of the most stunning, on both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Zoom model, feature on this DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is Hyperlapse. The airframe on this drone has a pretty beefy feeling for something that folds up so small, but it has powerful motors and speed control systems, capped with surprisingly quiet propellers. However, you have to choose the version you need between the pricier Pro and the Zoom. The Pro version has a 1-inch image sensor, 20 megapixel, at a fixed 28mm EFL but with adjustable aperture, 10-bit HDR video, and up to 12,800 ISO. While the Zoom version, on the other hand, still has a very decent 12 megapixels of its predecessor but has a zoom lens, 24 to 48mm EFL, which is more useful for cinematic effects. 2. Parrot Anafi. Parrot has managed to keep the portability and price manageable in selling their products. This Parrot Anafi is one of their products that has an included great hard fabric zip case, so you'll be able to shoot just about anywhere. It also become a very easy drone to operate thanks to automatic takeoff, landing, GPS-based return to home, and an exceptionally well-built folding controller with a hinged phone grip. 3. DJI Spark. THSI drone is perfect for those who want to start their YouTube videos creation. This DJI Spark can track subjects really well. It also complete with gesture recognition, so you can launch the drone from the palm of your hand and have it capture a few predefined shots of you with simple gestures. 4. DJI Mavic Air. THSI drone is complete with front, downward and rear-facing distance sensors. It can also recognize obstacles and not just warning the pilot, but also plotting a course to avoid. Sadly, the battery on this device only lasts for 21 minutes. Somewhat less in real-world conditions. In addition, the DJI's app that can be synced with this drone has also includes some cool effects. 5. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0. This Phantom has a rugged body design which definitely not for beginners or consumers who prefer practicality. This drone also comes with new OcuSync radio system that makes 1080p video possible on the monitors. 6. DJI Inspire 2. This drone has a jaw-dropping design that keeps the props comfortably out of most shots while allowing for a big stable frame. This battery drone can last for 25 minutes depending on the camera you choose. The Inspire 2 also has sophisticated object tracking, optional multi-user operation and other pro features. 7. Rise Tello. This drone does not come with GPS feature, and you also have to charge the battery inside the drone via USB, and you fly with your phone. The images are recorded directly to your phone, not a memory card. The camera on this drone is stabilized by a software only, and it also let you record 360-degree videos. And the software includes some clever swipe-directed flips. The very beginner can also use this drone. 8. Skydio R1. This drone features 2 cameras on each corner, 2 pointing up, 2 more down, and the main 4K camera, combining to give its NVIDIA TX1 256-core processor. This R1 uses this data to build a detailed 3D map of its environment, and even to predict the movement of the subject it is tracking, probably you. The system on this drone is similar to self-driving cars system. Video recorded on this drone is directly WNET to a built-in 64 gigabits. Nine. Power Vision PowerEye. This PowerEye drone can carry a micro Four Thirds camera firmly. The manually folding down arms feature on this drone allow a surprisingly compact traveling position in the included travel case. The control app and remote of this drone from PowerEye are less complex than DJI's. 10. Unique Typhoon H+. THSI drone from Unique has a 1-inch sensor which has a camera that can take on the Phantom. It is also supported by a big and stable 6-rotor frame, which is capable of returning if one motor is lost. Its retractable landing legs also has 360-degree lens rotation. This drone also has some features such as Intel-powered collision avoidance and object tracking software, including Follow Me, Point of Interest and Curve Cable Cam. The 7-inch screen on the controller, and the extra battery that Unique bundle, and it feels like a great deal.